Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, time is very short. We'll have to conclude this session quickly because many of our devotees, they will leave for their own place. Only I want to speak about what is the real role of the disciple. And if possible, again we will speak tomorrow something. So, আমি সময়ের অভাব ଅଛି কারণ আমার কিছু ভক্ত ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଜ ନିଜ ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଫେରିଯିବେ, ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ଏଠି ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ନହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗାଡ଼ି ପାଇବେନି, ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପଡ଼ିବେ। ଆମେ ଖୁବ କମରେ କେମିତି ସାରିଦେବା। ପ୍ରକୃତ ଶିଷ୍ୟର କ'ଣ ଭୂମିକା ଅଛି ସେଟା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଜାଣିବା ଉଚିତ। ଭଗବାନ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଆମର ମଙ୍ଗଳର ଭାରଟା ଯାହାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ନ୍ୟସ୍ତ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସିଏ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଗୁରୁପାଦ। ଭଗବାନ କୃଷ୍ଣ he has given the responsibility of our auspiciousness to Sri Guru Pada. And if we will not completely surrender unto the lotus feet of Guru Pada Padma Gurudev, we cannot claim that we are real Shishya, real disciple. ଆମେ ଯଦି ଗୁରୁପାଦ ପଦ୍ମରେ ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସମାଗତ ନ ହେଇପାରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ନିଜକୁ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଶିଷ୍ୟ ବୋଲି କେବେ ଦାବି କରିପାରିବା ନାହିଁ। ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଗୁରୁପାଦ ପଦ୍ମ ଶରଣାଗତ ହେଇପାରିବେ ସେମାନେ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ପାଦ ପଦ୍ମ ଶରଣାଗତ ହେଇପାରିବେ। Those who will surrender to Gurudev's lotus feet, they will be able to surrender to the lotus feet of Bhagavan Krishna. Whatever action will be taken by Gurudev for the disciple has to accept it happily. ଯେକୌଣସି ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଯେକୌଣସି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଶିଷ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଶିଷ୍ୟ ତାହାକୁ ନତ ଶିରରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା ଉଚିତ। ଶିଷ୍ୟ ଯଦି କହେ ଯେ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କର ଏଇ କଥାକୁ ମୁଁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ, ତାହେଲେ ସେ କି ପ୍ରକାର ଶିଷ୍ୟ ହେବ? If a disciple complains that I cannot accept what Gurudev is saying, so how he can become a disciple? Therefore, a shishya, a disciple, has to always obey the order or instruction of Gurudev. ତେଣୁ ଶିଷ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ସେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ବା ଉପଦେଶକୁ ନିର୍ବିଚାରରେ without any types of discrimination he has to accept it. ନିର୍ବିଚାରରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବ। ସେ ତା ଦେହରେ କୌଣସି ବିଚାର ଯୋଡ଼ିବ ନା। ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ନିର୍ବିଚାରରେ ଏହାକୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର ସମସ୍ତ ମଙ୍ଗଳ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିବ, ନଚେତ ଅମଙ୍ଗଳ ଅନିବାର୍ଯ୍ୟ। If you will accept whatever instruction Gurudev is giving without any discrimination, without any consideration, then he will get all auspiciousness. Otherwise, he will have inauspiciousness in his life. So who is real Shishya? The real Shishya, he does not want to enjoy in his life. Rather, he will use all his senses to serve Guru Pada Padma, to serve Krishna. Then he can become a real disciple. Whatever we see in this world, all this paraphernalia is meant for Guru Seva. ଯାହା କିଛି ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ଏ ଜଗତରେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଗୁରୁ ସେବାର ଉପକରଣ। କାରଣ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ସେବା ଦେଉଛୁ, ଆମେ କାଲି କହୁଥିଲୁ ସେଠି ସେବାଟା ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରନ୍ତି ନା, ସେ କୃଷ୍ଣ ପାଖକୁ ପଠାନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ଯେକୌଣସି ସେବାର ଉପକରଣ ଆମେ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା ତାହା କୃଷ୍ଣ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବ। Whatever paraphernalia is there, if you will use for Gurudev Seva, then Gurudev will send it to Krishna and finally Krishna will get Seva. ତେଣୁ ଯଦି ଗୁରୁଙ୍କର ସେବାରେ ଯେଉଁ ବସ୍ତୁ ନିୟୋଜିତ ହେବା କଥା ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ ଭୋଗ ବୁଦ୍ଧି କରିଦେବା ତାହେଲେ ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ଅମଙ୍ଗଳ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଆସିବ। Whatever meant for Guru Seva, if you will develop desire to enjoy it, then all inauspiciousness will come. So, therefore, one has to see Guru in all the objects. जितने प्रकार वस्तु अच्छी सब गुरु दर्शन हम आ गुरु दर्शन नहेले लघु दर्शन ही। If there will be no Guru darshan, there will be Laghu darshan. And when Laghu darshan will be there, then our life will become miserable. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଲଘୁ ଦର୍ଶନ ହେଇଯିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମ ଜୀବନଟା ଅତିଷ୍ଠ ହେଇପଡ଼ିବ। The real Shishya always sees in within and without, always sees Guru. Guru is inside, Guru is outside. ତେଣୁ ଗୁରୁକୁ ସେ ଅନ୍ତରରେ ବାହାରେ ସର୍ବଦା ସେ ଦର୍ଶନ କରିବ। ତେଣୁ ନିଜକୁ ଲଘୁ ଭାବିବ, ଗୁରୁଙ୍କୁ ଗୁରୁ ମନେ କରିବ, ତାହେଲେ ତାର ଭୋଗ ବାଞ୍ଛା ଆସିବ ନା। When one will feel that he is laghu and Guru is Guru, means heavy, and he himself is very light, then he will never go for sense enjoyment, his own sense enjoyment. No one is dear to me in this material world. No one is dear to me except my Gurudev. ମୋ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ ଏ ଜଗତରେ ମୋର କେହି ପ୍ରିୟ ନୁହନ୍ତି। ଯେଉଁମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ନିଜର ସ୍ୱଜନ ବୋଲିକି ଭାବୁଛେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱଜନାଖ୍ୟା ଦୋଷୀ ବୋଲିକି ଆମ ଗୁରୁଦେବ କୁହନ୍ତି। They are all running. They are all sucking our blood. To whom we are thinking that they are our own relations, they are actually sucking our blood. Only Gurudev is our own Atmiya. No one is Atmiya. So those who are niskapata, free of duplicity, free of crookedness, they can understand this. ଯେଉଁମାନେ ନିଷ୍କପଟ ହେବେ, କପଟତା ଶୂନ୍ୟ ହେବେ, ସେମାନେ ଏହାକୁ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ। ସମସ୍ତେ ଏହାକୁ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ। ଯେଉଁମାନଙ୍କ କପଟତା ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ଏ କଥା ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ନା। So those who are real Shishya, they always think we are Guru Das. My identity is I am Guru Das. First I am Guru Das, then I am Krishna Das. So प्रथम परिचय मोर होची मु गुरु दास, ता परे परिचय होची मु कृष्ण दास. अवश्य आमर स्वरूप कहा जाए, आमर स्वरूप नित्य कृष्ण दास, किंतु प्रथम आम गुरु दास रही पाला कृष्ण दास ही पारिबान. It is said that our swarup is Jiver Swarupa Nitya Krishna Das, but unless we will become Guru Das, we cannot become Krishna Das. So therefore, one has to think Guru as Ishvara, the supreme controller. Guru को तेणु ईश्वर बुद्धि करा जाए, परम नियंत्रणकारी से. एवं जेतेबेले से गुरु को परम नियंत्रणकारी धरिव भाविब सेतेबेले गुरु को प्रति प्रगाढ़ प्रीति विश्वास जन्मे. When one will think that Gurudev is the supreme controller, then he will have faith and love for him. Unless we will have faith and love for him, we cannot develop faith and love for Krishna. आमर कृष्ण के प्रति विश्वास रहेगा ना, कि कृष्ण के प्रति प्रीति रहेगा ना, जे पर्यंत गुरु के प्रति प्रीति और विश्वास न रहे. तेणु परमात्म्य परम शुभाकांक्षी जीवर परम शुभाकांक्षी परमात्म्य होचंती गुरुदेव. Gurudev is the supreme well-wisher, or Gurudev is the supreme relation of all the jivas, all the disciples. तांको कहा होची कृष्ण प्रेष्ठ. He is very dear to Krishna. गुरुदेव कहा होची कृष्ण प्रेष्ठ. एवं से होचंती नित्य प्रभु. कृष्ण जेपरि नित्य, गुरुदेव सेपरि नित्य. कृष्ण का सेवा जेपरि नित्य, गुरुदेव का सेवा मध्य नित्य. Krishna is eternal, Gurudev also eternal. Krishna Seva is eternal, Gurudev Seva also eternal. So those who are thinking that my life, my whole activities is to please Guru, they are real disciples. जो मैं चिंता करते जे मोर जीवन प्रथम कर्तव्य होचे मु गुरु को प्रीति देवी, से माने होचन प्रकृतर शिष्य. एवं शिष्य जानची जे गुरुदेव एकाधार रे भक्ति विग्रह भगवत विग्रह. So a shishya, a disciple, he knows that Gurudev is simultaneously bhakti vigraha and bhagavat vigraha. तेणु गुरुदेव आमर सबुठु प्रिय, आम प्राण ठार मध्य से प्रिय. So therefore Gurudev is very dear to us. Even he is more dear than our own life. Gurudev is non-different from Krishna. To some extent, he is also, can say, he is Sevaka Bhagavan. Yesterday we were saying this. So therefore, if someone will not become Guru Das, he cannot become Krishna Das. Krishna Dasya, Guru Dasya व्यतीत कृष्ण दास्य संभव नहीं. जने केमती कृष्ण का दास हो, से तो गुरु दास ही पारेनी, कृष्ण दास केमती हो. जो माने गुरुंकर सेवा करचुंती, से माने वैष्णव पद पाচ্ছে. Those who are serving to Guru, they are really Vaishnava. The Vaishnava's duty is to serve Guru. Others we cannot say Vaishnava, those who are not serving Guru. Or he can be said that he is a real disciple, Prakruta Shishya. Those who are not serving Guru, they will develop false ego. They are bewildered soul. Ahankara vimudatma. Kartaram iti manyate. They are thinking they are the doers due to their false ego. So, when one will have false ego, he will develop desire to enjoy. ଯାହାର ଭୋଗ ବାସନା ରହୁଛି ତା ବୁଝିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଯେ ତା ଭିତରେ ମିଥ୍ୟା ଅହଙ୍କାର ଅଛି। ସେ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କର ଦାସ ହେଇପାରି ନାହିଁ। ଗୁରୁଙ୍କର ଦାସ ହେଲେ ନିଜେ ଭୋଗ କରିବାର କଥା ଉଠିବ ନାହିଁ। If one is going to enjoy, that means he has not become Guru Das. Once one will become Guru Das, he cannot go for enjoyment, his own enjoyment. So, what is the qualification of a Shishya, disciple? Gote Shishyar prakrita yogyata kon haba darkar. The disciple first qualification is to always he should be inquisitive to know about Hari Tattva, Bhagavat Tattva. Bhagavat Tattva janiya pai sabra jigyasa haba uchit. Eta hoche tar pratham yogyata. এবং দ্বিতীয় যোগ্যতা হচ্ছে যে সে গুরু পাদ পদ্মরে গভীর বিশ্বাস স্থাপন করে। The second, his qualification that he will put complete faith on the lotus feet of Gurudev. 3 নম্বর যোগ্যতা হচ্ছে যে কাম ক্রোধ লোভ মোহ মদ মাৎসর্যের মুক্ত রইব। He will become free from the lust, greed, anger, delusion, pride and envy. Third qualification. And fourth qualification is he will become free from I-ness and mine-ness. ମୁଁ ମୋର ଭାବରୁ ସେ ମୁକ୍ତ ରହିବ। ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ତାର ଚତୁର୍ଥ ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା। ପଞ୍ଚମର ହେଉଛି the way he is having devotion towards Krishna, the same type of devotion he should have for Gurudev. ଯେଭଳି ଭାବରେ ତାର କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ପରି ଭକ୍ତି ରହିବ ଠିକ୍ ସେଇଭଳି ଭକ୍ତି ତାର ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ରହିବ। ଏବଂ 6 নম্বର ହେଉଛି ସର୍ବଦା ବ୍ୟାକୁଳିତ ଚିତ୍ତ କିପରି କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ପାଦ ପଦ୍ମରେ ଆଶ୍ରିତ ହେବ। Number 6, he will always be eager how to take shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna and how to become very dear to Krishna, how to develop love for Krishna. This should be his desire. ସେ ବ୍ୟାକୁଳିତ ଚିତ୍ତ କିପରି କୃଷ୍ଣ ପାଦ ପଦ୍ମରେ ଆଶ୍ରିତ ହେବ, କିପରି କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ହେବ, ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୀତି ଉତ୍ପନ୍ନ କରିବ। And seventh qualification is the disciple always will find fault within himself. He will never try to find fault with others. ଶିଷ୍ୟଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ନିଜ ଭିତରେ ଦୋଷଟା ଖୋଜିବ, ଦୋଷଟା ଦେଖିବ। ସେ ଆଉ କାହାରି ଭିତରେ ଦୋଷ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଦେଖିବ ନା। ଅନ୍ୟ କାହା ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ଭଲ ଗୁଣ ଅଛି ତାହାକୁ ସେ ସନ୍ଧାନ କରିବ। Rather he will go for searching the good qualities with others. Number 8, in this life, how can I get Krishna's lotus feet? Therefore, he will make all types of efforts or endeavors. এই জন্মরে ମୁଁ କେମିତି କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କର ପାଦ ପଦ୍ମ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେବି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସର୍ବଦା ଚେଷ୍ଟିତ ହେବି. This is the qualifications of the real disciple. So we are doing this Vyasa Puja means we should become real disciple. If you will become real disciple, then our Vyasa Puja celebration is okay, all right. ଆମେ ଯଦି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଶିଷ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ବ୍ୟାସ ପୂଜା ଉତ୍ସବ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ କରିବା. ଯଦି ଆମେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଶିଷ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରୁନାହୁଁ ଆମେ କିଭଳି ବ୍ୟାସ ପୂଜା ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ କରିବା? ତେଣୁ ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଶିଷ୍ୟ ହେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ବ୍ୟାସ ପୂଜା କରିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଆମକୁ ଶିଷ୍ୟ ହେବା ଦରକାର ଅଛି. If you are going to celebrate Vyasa Puja, we must become disciple, real disciple. Then we can celebrate the Vyasa Puja. Jai Srila Gurudev ki, Srila Prabhupada Ji Maharaj ki, Sri Radha Gopal Ji ki, Sri Garvanath Madhusudana Devi ki, Sri Gaunitaya ki, Samaveta Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki, Nitai Gaur जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय. जय हरदर स्वामी महाराज की.
Speech by Srila Guru Maharaj at 1 p.m. Prasada 2 p.m. Please step aside and themselves. Welcoming Guru Maharaj to the Penda at 10 a.m. Kailasananda Kirtan Nandkishore Das Prabhu, Nagapur Das Prabhu, Chaitanya Das Prabhu, Prabhupada Aunty. Yes. Ikhlasi, Cindayal Das, Kamohar Das, Punyasloka Das, Madhura Sudas, Buddha Chaitanya Das. Arrangement for the transaction. Guru Maharaj returning to his room by Rasananda Das, Punyasloka Das, and other Sankirtan. Prasada distribution by to the devotees. Bhakta Khirur, Parameshwar Das, Kripat Das, Samananda Das, Kapuladev Das, Kesava Priya Das, Janardhan Das. Prasad to Guru Maharaj, Krishna Balaram Das, Prasad to Sannyasi.